I am a nurse.
I am a nurse. I'm a nurse.
I'm a nurse.
I'm a nurse. Nurse.
Every day, inside the OPD of Al Jazeera Medical Complex, different people walk through the doors. Some come in worried, some are in pain. Some simply hope that someone will help them feel better. And behind every patient cared for is a nurse. Al Jazeera Medical Complex nurses are more than healthcare workers. They are the people who comfort patients during difficult moments. They stay calm during busy hours. They work with patience, compassion, and dedication every single day. The OPD nurses are often the first to respond. They assist doctors, monitor patients, give reassurance to families, and make sure every patient receives proper care and attention. The work is not easy. Every day brings new challenges, emergencies, and responsibilities. But despite the pressure, Al Jazeera Medical Complex nurses continue to serve with professionalism and heart. At Al Jazeera Medical Complex, nurses are trained to be confident, skilled, and ready to help whenever patients need them most. Their commitment and hard work help create a safer and more caring environment for everyone. Behind every treatment, behind every recovery, behind every relieved patient, there is a hard-working nurse making a difference. To all Al Jazeera Medical Complex nurses, thank you for your compassion, your strength, and your dedication to saving lives every day. Because at Al Jazeera Medical Complex, care begins within our nurses.